Text, Waterford Cherry Creek, Cambridge. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 794 square feet. Welcome home. There is a small bar area near the living room. Text, relax. The living room has dark wooden floors, a fireplace, and a sliding door to an enclosed patio. The dining area is right off the living room and kitchen. The kitchen has white cupboards, stainless steel appliances, and a gray marble countertop. Text, cook. Side-by-side washer and dryer. Text, Washington. The bathroom has white cupboards and a gray marble countertop, along with a full bath and shower with white subway tile. Text, refresh. The bedroom has an alcove window and tan carpet. Text, sleep. The walk-in closet has shelves. Text, Waterford Cherry Creek. 720-307-0930. Call to schedule your virtual tour.